Hey guys, and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alok Pandey, and today I'll be solving my next question on Leetcode, and it is Fibonacci numbers or Fibonacci number, because some people call it Fibonacci, some call it Fibonacci. I call it Fibonacci number. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any time. Okay, so very firstly you should understand what is Fibonacci number or what is Fibonacci series. Okay, so very firstly I'll be explaining you about this series Fibonacci. After that I'll be solving on my Leetcode, and you all guys can check whether my what code is correct or not. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any time further. So very firstly I'll be reading this question. The Fibonacci numbers, commonly denoted f of n, form a sequence called the Fibonacci sequence, okay, such that each number is the sum of two preceding ones. Here it's already written, like you all guys can understand, like it's preceding one. Preceding means last ones. Preceding means last. Okay, so here it is starting from 0 and 1. That is, like here I'll be explaining you guys Fibonacci number. What is Fibonacci number? Fibonacci number is a number whose last two elements, whose the sum of last two elements, it is its next element. That is Fibonacci number. For example, let's take in Fibonacci number, it is damn sure like our first integer or first element on 0 index will be 0, on first index will be 1. After that, let's take for example, we have 0 and 1. What should be our next element, and what is our next element in Fibonacci number or Fibonacci series? So it will be 0 plus 1. Here already I told you na ki like the sum of last two digits is our Fibonacci number. Okay, so sum of last two digits is, we have 0 on our 0 index, 1 on our first index. So 0 plus 1 will get 1. 1 we will write in our second index, like next element on our Fibonacci series. Okay, so now we are having 0, 1 and 1. Okay, after that what should be our next Fibonacci number on this sequence? So it would be last two digit sum. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. After that, on our next index, we'll take last two digit, means 2 plus 1, 3. On our next element will be 2 plus 3, 5. Next 5 plus 3, 8. Next 8 plus 5, 8 5 13. Okay, and so on it will go. Okay, so this is our Fibonacci number. I explained you. So let's write the code. Okay, so here I am writing the code for the Fibonacci number. Here we have in our Leetcode class is there, class solution. We have public int fib function. So here I'm writing very firstly I'll our first step should be I'll contain in my container or variable, I'll make a variable of int a or int start, we can say. I'll store 0. मैंने बोला था ना, like our first element will be 0 in our 0 index. So we are starting from int a is equals to 0. Our int b will be 1. मैंने ये भी बोला था कि 1 होगा. After that, if our n equal to 0, अगर हमारा n equal to 0 है, then return 0. ओके, रिटर्न 0 कर देगा. उसके बाद else if, we can take else if or else condition, any conditional statement. So we'll take else if n equal to 1, अगर 1 है, then it will return 1. Okay, it will return 1. After that so here I'll be writing a loop for checking, like for I'll here write for loop for I have to check the iteration for int I equals to not 0, int I equals to 2, I less than or equal to n. After that will be I plus plus, here our curly braces will be start, and here like you guys have already studied like for any getting next integer we are taking a container for temporary variable. So here I'll take temporary variable as int c. So int c, I'll store a plus b y, a plus b y, because already I have told you in Fibonacci series the sum of last 2 digits number is our next element. Okay, for finding next element, third element, we should add or sum of the first and second element of the series. Okay, so let's get okay, yeah. So here I'll be writing int c is equals to a plus b, and I'll store c is equal a okay, a is equals to b, and I'll store b equals to c. Okay, and after that I'll return b. So let's check whether our code is running or not. हो जा C, it's correct, it is correct. And when we are n is 2, our output is 1 1, and output is 3, our output is 2, expected output is 2, it's correct. For input 4, all test cases are passed. Let's submit it and see the beats. Yeah, it's 100% beats. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I tried my best for explaining you guys. So stay tuned for further more videos on Leetcode, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and comments in the description box and comments box, so I'll get motivation or demotivation.